Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, January 19, 2024 on our channel. AHR Expo 2024 showcases leading HVACR innovations. RDM introduced new refrigeration pack controller. Secop launches new website. Global water heating market. Aira raises €145 million in Series B financing. Alpyne strategies Elizabeth Ortlieb to host refrigerant briefing at 2024 AHR Expo. York introduces industry-first screw heat pump using R-1234ze refrigerant. Sensience earns additional UL certification for A2L gas sensing. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. AHR Expo 2024 showcases leading HVACR innovations. The 2024 AHR Expo in Chicago is poised to be a hub of innovation with leading companies like Johnson Controls, Danfoss, Heatcraft Refrigeration Products, Embraco, and MSA Safety Incorporated showcasing their latest advancements in the HVACR industry. Johnson Controls will feature their energy-efficient York YH515.2 SEER-2 single-stage heat pump, highlighting their commitment to electrification and decarbonization. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. RDM introduced new refrigeration pack controller. Resource Data Management, RDM, are pleased to introduce the latest addition to the Intuitive SuperPack range of refrigeration controllers, Intuitive SuperPack Multi-INV. Intuitive SuperPack controllers deliver stable and responsive energy regulation without complicated programming, ensuring that pack systems run as energy efficiently as possible and enabling optimum control. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Secop launches new website. The Secop digital marketing team and Visuelversten GmbH agency are excited to announce the launch of Secop's newly updated website. The redesign aims to provide a more user-friendly and responsive experience across all platforms and devices. The focus was on making it easier for users to access valuable information about Secop's cooling solutions for various applications and industries. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Global water heating market. In the global water heating markets, it turned out that the greatest growth in 2023 and the forecast period was demonstrated by heat pumps, electric storage devices, and instantaneous water heaters. In 2023, conventional hydronic heating systems grew by 1.5% worldwide, while renewable water heaters, i.e., heat pump water heaters, reported an impressive 21.3% growth versus 2022. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Aira raises €145 million in Series B financing. Aira has successfully closed a Series B financing round, securing €145 million from prominent climate tech investors in Europe, the US, and Asia. This funding round exceeded its initial target of €85 million and was led by Altor, Kinnevik, and Temasek. The investment will enable Aira to expedite the electrification of residential heating in Europe, helping households reduce energy costs, drive decarbonization, and decrease reliance on natural gas imports. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Alpyne strategies Elizabeth Ortlieb to host refrigerant briefing at 2024 AHR Expo. Alpyne Strategy, a leader in HVAC marketing and sales, is excited to announce that its very own Elizabeth Ortlieb will be a featured speaker at the 2024 AHR Expo, which is the world's largest HVACR marketplace. Elizabeth, known as at Refrigerant 365 on social media and host of the Refrigerant 365 podcast, will have one of her refrigerant briefing events take place at the expo. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. York introduces industry-first screw heat pump using R-1234ze refrigerant. Johnson Controls announced the launch of the York YVWH water-to-water dual variable speed screw heat pump, the first screw heat pump in North America to use R-1234ze refrigerant. R-1234ze is a refrigerant with an ultra-low global warming potential (GWP) of 1, enabling the YVWH to go considerably beyond the refrigerant regulations that go into effect starting January 1, 2025, as currently proposed by the U. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Sensience earns additional UL certification for A2L gas sensing. Sensience, a sensor manufacturer that enables enhanced safety and sustainability for leading manufacturers, announced the attainment of UL certification for adherence to UL 60335-240, 4th edition if it relates to detecting the refrigerant R-454B. This milestone is in addition to their previous certification of R-32 refrigerants. The certification comes as Sensience continues to focus on helping the HVACR industry prepare for the January 2025 transition deadline to A2L refrigerants. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.